Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage threat intelligence with recorded future easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your recorded future account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Threat Intelligence section on the left sidebar. Click on Threat Intelligence Overview to access key insights. Observe the widgets displaying real-time threat data. Next, go to the search function at the top of the page. Enter specific keywords related to your area of interest. Filter results by selecting categories that align with your needs. Examine the details of relevant incidents by clicking on individual cards. For deeper analysis, use the Analysis tab to explore trends over time. Utilize the Investigations feature to compile findings on specific threats. Create a new investigation by clicking New Investigation and naming it accordingly. Add relevant alerts and notes to your investigation for comprehensive tracking. Once your investigation is complete, you can share it with your team. To enhance visibility, export your investigation as a report. Select Export and choose your desired format for distribution. Now, set up alerts for specific keywords to stay informed. Go to Alerts in the sidebar and click on Create Alert. Define the parameters of the alert, including frequency and notification methods. Save your alert to ensure you receive timely updates on emerging threats. Regularly review the dashboard for new trends and reports. Utilize the insights gathered to adjust your security posture. Engage with the recorded future community for additional resources and support. By following these steps, you can effectively manage threat intelligence using recorded future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.